After you have created the first library, your photos will all appear chronologically in the photo stream. This may already be all you need in terms of basic organization, in which case you could start to organize with collections and keywords. However, most of the time, there is another organization step, one where you'd split up photos into multiple folders on disk. Within Aspect, such folders correspond to so-called events. An event could be a photo shoot, a journey, a wedding ceremony, or similar sets of pictures. In case you already have such a structure in the form of folders, Aspect provides a quick way to treat those as events within the application. Simply press the Add Event button next to the photo stream entry on the upper left part of the application and choose Select Folders as Events. The overlay that appears shows the complete hierarchy of the Pictures folder that you selected when creating the library. You can select any folder to see which photos it contains. For every folder that resembles an event, simply set a check mark next to it. It will immediately appear in the navigation pane on the left of the application, and you can continue with the next folder until all have been selected. Once you are done, all of your events will appear neatly grouped together as paragraphs within the photo stream, together with any photos that are not stored as part of a particular event. By either double-clicking on an event paragraph, or by choosing an event from the navigation pane, you can view the contents of each event. Within the event, you can then focus on the organization or editing that needs to be done in that particular context. Also, you can choose a different photo to use as the header image to represent the event by dragging it onto the event header. When you encounter images that belong to a different event, you can simply move them. Click on the first image, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last image. With the selection in place, you can either use the context menu, or you can simply drag the images on the appropriate event in the navigation pane on the left. Now, after you have imported new photos, or if you haven't had your photos organized into event folders before, you will probably want to create new events from scratch. In order to do that, select the images that you want to add to the event. And again, click on the Add Event icon next to the photo stream, choosing Create New Event Folder. Now enter the desired name and click OK. The new event appears in the sidebar and contains the previously selected photos. As another example, let's say you have a folder on your desktop that you want to add to Aspect directly as an event. To do this, simply take the folder and drag it into a free area of the navigation bar. This will create a new event with a copy of the photos. By right-clicking and choosing Show in Finder, we can see that everything got neatly organized by date and event name, corresponding to the organization pattern that was set up when the library was created. If you want, you can always change this pattern in the application settings. As you can see, events in the photo stream allow you to quickly establish a basic order, both within Aspect and on your hard drive. Check out our YouTube channel to watch more tutorials on how to organize your photos.